Hi friends, we have nice logarithmic equation. Log of x to the base square root of 3 plus log of 25 to the base x over log of 0.008 to the base x is equal to 16 over 3. So we have to find out value of log of 3x square to the base 3, right? So let's start. Log of x to the base square root of 3 plus this as log of 25 to the base 0.008, right, is equal to 16 over 3, right? Because log of b to the base a is equal to log of b over log of a common base, right? Suppose x common base, or we can say x as common base, is equal to log of b over log of a. Right? So this changed into this, right? Law of base change. Okay. Now in next step, this log of x to the base square root of 3 plus log of 25, and this can be written as 5 to the power minus 3, right? 0.008 will be written as 5 to the power minus 3, right? Because 0.008 is equal to 8 over 1000 is equal to 1 over 125, right? Or is equal to 1 over 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power minus 3, right? So 0.008 is equal to this, right? So this into this, right? Now in next step is equal to 16 over 3, right? Now log of x to the base square root of 3 plus log of 25 5 square and base 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 16 over 3, right? Now log of x to the base square root of 3 plus this as 2 over minus 3 log of 5 to the base 5, right, is equal to 16 over 3, because log of a to the power m to the base b to the power n, right? This and this, okay? So this will be m over n log of a to the base b, right? This over this, a and b, right? Now in next step, log of x base square root of 3, and this will be minus 2 over 3, and this is equal to 1, right? Is equal to 16 over 3, because log of a to the base a is equal to 1, right? So this value is equal to 1, right? Now log of x base square root minus 2 over 3 is equal to 16 over 3, right? So log of x base square root 3 is equal to this and this, 6, right? So x will be equal to square root of 3 to the power 6, right? Reason? Because a to the power m is equal to x. So log of x to the base a will be equal to m. Exponential and logarithmic function, right? Will change like this. Okay. So x is equal to 3 to the power half to the power 6. Okay. So x is equal to 3 cube is equal to 27, right? So x is equal to 27, right? Now we have to find out value of log of 3x square to the base 3 is equal to what, right? So log of 3 into x 27 square, right? So is equal to log of this will be 3 to the power 7 to the base 3, right? Is equal to 7 log of 3 to the base 3, right? So this value will be 7 into 1, right? This is equal to 1, right? So this value will be 7. Okay friends, thank you.